Hello, welcome to Econometrics Melody. This is the 11th video on miscellaneous series in Stata. In miscellaneous series, we'll cover some of the basic, general and handy topics in Stata. This will be more of a practical session. In today's video, we are going to talk about tabstat command, which will help us do the compact table of summary statistics. We will see it by the help of example. Most of the variables in our dataset are categorical variables, while income and expenses are the continuous variables. And let us run our first command, wherein we are going to display the summary statistics. These summary statistics of three variables. By default, the statistics are displayed in the row form, while the variables are displayed in the column form. And if we want to display the statistics in the column form, we write column and statistics. Now the statistics are displayed in the column form. Let us call all the variables in our data memory and try to again display the specified statistics, the column form, and we get this result. We have this many number of variables. Actually, we want to create many variables here, 500 variables, new variables, and we want to see whether we can draw the summary statistics, specified summary statistics of all those variables. Yes, we are able to draw the summary statistics of many variables. Actually, we can include many variables even greater than 500. These are the summary statistics that we can choose from, or we can specify. The variables are specified in column form. Now the variables are going to be displayed in the column form, therefore the statistics will be displayed in the row form. These are the list of all the statistics that is compatible with this tabstat command. We can add more variables as per our requirement. So when we don't specify the statistics, any statistics, by default mean of the respective variables are displayed. We can draw the specified statistics of respective variables across the some variables, categorical variables. Like in this case, we have drawn the statistics across the category of body. If we want to display the name of the variables, here we don't see the name of the variables. Now if we want to display the name of the variables as well, we need to specify this option called longstub. Now the name of the variables are also displayed. So the label width option, this is going to display the label width. We can manipulate the label width of the categorical variable. Here our categorical variable or by variable is body, so the label width is 15. Now if we compare it, the label width here it's 15, and if we decrease it to, let us say, 8, this is the minimum limit. And what changes to this? By the option label width, we can manipulate this label width of the by variable. Similarly, the variable width, we can also manipulate the length of the variable, main variable. Here these are the variables, and let us manipulate it or change it from 19 to its minimum. It is, so let us put it 8 over here and see the changes for ourselves, and we should see only the variable width has decreased to 8. We can also manipulate the display of the number format. Here this is the format. Now we want to change it by the help of format option. We are going to display only the one digit after decimal point, and if we get it, this implies only one digit to the decimal point. So no total. If we want to suppress this information about total, we can do it by specifying the option called no total, and we won't see the information on total. Similarly, let us create the missing observations. For that, let us create some observation age missing. Then after, if we specify this option called missing, we will see the information of missing observations as well. And the no separator, we see the separator for every categories of by variable. And if we don't want that, we can specify no separator, and we won't see that line, separating line. And now here in this case, for each category of age, we are going to get a separate table of specified summary statistics of the variables disaggregated across the categories of this variable, by variable. So we are going to get a separate table across the category of age. Alternatively, we can specify the same, or we can get the same result by writing it differently. By sort age, same object. This will fulfill the same objective of specifying by age, sort. They are one and the same, and we get the same result. Separate table of specified summary statistics for each category of age, disaggregated across the category of by variable body in this case. So this is it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much, Econometrics Melody.